and happy Christmas Eve to those of you that celebrate. If you don't know me, my name's Ash and welcome to my channel if you're new. I thought I would do a very special kind of video for Christmas Eve because I have decided not to put a Vlogmas video up today, which would usually happen because it's Monday. But because Christmas Eve is on Monday, I didn't want Christmas Eve just to be a solo video for Thursday. So I decided to put Saturday, Sunday, Monday together, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be uploading tomorrow, which is Christmas Day. We'll see how it goes. It may end up being Boxing Day, but I will post to my community tab in any case. But I am wearing my Grinch sweatshirt, Team Grinch, because I have got a Grinch themed hot chocolate bar to show you. I've decided to go for the naughty mug today. So if you are interested in seeing what my little Grinch themed hot chocolate bar looks like, carry on watching. So here is the Grinch themed hot chocolate bar. I'm sorry if you can hear like a fridge in the background. We've got a really noisy fridge, so I apologise for that. But I did want to just share a quick video for Christmas Eve of my hot chocolate bar. So I'm going to go through everything. I got this plaque very recently. I may have included it in a vlog, but it was from Pound Stretcher and it was like $1.49 or something like that. This jar is from Tiger from last year, unfortunately, so unless you search eBay, I'm not sure you'll be able to get exactly the same one if you ever want to do this in future, but I'm sure there are very similar things out there. And that has got the hot chocolate in. It's actually the gingerbread hot chocolate from Poundland. I've got two like packets of it in there, like, you know, 2 tubs of it. Got like a sweetie tray here and it's on like a cake stand, and it's got a mixture of the Grinch sweets that I bought from Poundland, so the lollipops, the popping candy and the candy sticks, because you can use these as stirrers. You can put this on top of your whipped cream, you can stick these out of your whipped cream, and then got some mini marshmallows at the back there because the Grinch ones didn't last very long, unfortunately. But I do actually prefer mini ones on hot chocolate anyway. The 2 mugs, Naughty and Nice, were actually from Home Bargains this year, so you may still be able to get hold of them if you are hosting anything between Christmas Day and New Year. You may want to throw something like this together for your guests. It's got some candy canes. These are available everywhere, and these are some of the sherbet straw, the Grinch sherbet straws as well. And in this one I've got the Jane Asher. They're like test tubes, but they've got different festive sprinkles in, so we've got some green, some red and some candy canes. This tray is actually from Poundland a couple of years ago when they brought them out for Mother's Day, and I made sure I kept one for myself, so this is what I've used. But you can get trays from all over the place. You may already have some, and also they do currently stock smaller versions, you know, that have the writing. I've got one on my coffee table if you've been watching my vlogs, and then I just filled it with loads of Christmas decorations. And this is actually one of those kind of felt mats at the bottom there, because I kind of wanted it to look like, because he lives on the rubbish tip, doesn't he? And he always says about how the unwanted presents and stuff go to him. So I actually had these in our Christmas decoration stash, and they're actually little like Christmas presents. So I popped them in, a few of them in there. And also these are actually the unwanted Christmas decorations this year because I haven't actually used them. So it kind of fits the whole feel. And then I've just got some of this holly tinsel that I had in my stash. But again, I think you can get this sort of thing around Christmas time from most places, and I've actually found a heart-shaped Christmas decoration to represent the Grinch's heart there. So I'm really happy with how this looks. This is actually on our kitchen table, but I absolutely love it. And it's never too late to put something like this together. It is Christmas week after all, and you don't even have to have the Grinch specific sweets, although when I went in yesterday, the 23rd, to Poundland, they still had loads. If you want to do it Grinch themed, you can also just buy any kind of green and red sweets, or just use what you have. It's so fun putting together a hot chocolate bar from what you've got, because a lot of this, apart from like the Grinch sweets and stuff, I kind of just pulled together from random things I already had. So I hope you like that. It was really fun to put together. So I hope you enjoyed my Grinch themed hot chocolate bar, and it's really fun to try, and it's Christmas week, so even if you don't do Grinch themed, just throwing together a hot chocolate bar from any supplies that you've got or quickly run out. Christmas Eve's never as bad for shopping as people make out. It's usually dead. So because it could be something fun for Boxing Day or even New Year's Eve if you're having friends or family over. So I'm going to wish you a Merry Christmas for tomorrow, and I will hopefully see you in a Vlogmas video on Christmas Day. Don't worry, obviously, if you don't have time to watch it, but I thought I'll upload it, and then if you fancy a little quiet time to yourself with a festive drink and a cozy blanket, then you've got a Vlogmas video from me to watch if you want to. So until my next video, I will say goodbye, Merry Christmas, and I hope you're having the most festive time. See you later. Oh, you know, don't forget to like, you know, subscribe, comment, all that. So yeah, Merry Christmas, bye. I will say bye-bye. Bye-bye.